channel. Viewers, we know that it is too difficult to turn the heavy engine by hand or kickstart. So a self-starter is essential. Viewers, today I am explaining the starting circuit of a car and how it works. In this circuit, the components are like battery, self-starter, relay, fuse, ignition key and ECM. So before that, the purpose of self-starter is when you turn the ignition switch, the electromagnet inside the body engages and pushes out a lever to which the pinion is attached. The pinions meet the flywheel and the starter motor turns. The spin the engine over. Then engine start. Viewers, you know the components like starter motor, ignition key, relay, switch and battery and ECM. These components you can make a simple project for your technical training, for your technical trainees or any kind of project. So in this circuit you can see how the current flow from the battery to reach at self-starter and it works smoothly. Viewers, this is a easy animated video by which you can easily understand how this circuit works, so you can make this project very simple. So viewers, please like and subscribe my channel, for which I can make more and more technical videos. You may visit my channel link for searching this type of videos. Thanks viewers, thanks.